Hello friends, in this video I'll show you some websites which provide free of cost services. These are absolutely free and very interesting. So the first one is for book downloading or book preview. You can see on the screen I press SQL, a computer language book, so you can see down the screen that a lot of books are shown. Now let's search for biology. So if you press it, you can see that it gives me a number of books which is available for preview, even for download. It will not charge you, it's free of cost. You can see that the book is entirely available. So books lover or readers or those students who cannot afford books buying, they can use it. And next is the web page which provide free pictures and videos, so you can use this in your graphics or even your YouTube videos. A lot of people download videos from this and they upload it on YouTube with the copyright. The other one is also having the same features. Let's see, we will show some pictures. You can see that the screen is showing a lot of pictures. Let's check for a bird. So we can see that a number of pictures of the birds are available. This is another website which is used by engineers or students who would like to make diagrams. It have a number of shapes, arrows, colors, and even a number of other type of items, text style. Each and everything is available if you would like to use it or if you would like to check it. It will definitely give you a lot of benefits. Next is the website for students of computer who would like to build web pages. It will show you the web page. You can make it and you can run it on the screen. You can also see that the web page is displayed. Next is the CV maker or resume. This is very good for students who would like to make online CV, or if they would like to see its preview download in PDF, or they would like to share with some other website or friends. So you can also choose colors, you can also upload your picture, and you can do a lot of changes. You can see that I make a simple resume just to guide you that it works very easily. And next is the alternate to. This is a website which provide you alternate of any app or website. This is very nice website. So let's check Text Fairy. I already made a video on Text Fairy. It's a software, an app which translate image into text. You can see that down the page huge number of alternate apps are available. You can choose your own for your own use. Now let's go for Facebook. It will show you alternate of Facebook. You can see it, drag it down. This is dictation.io. It's a website which write dictation. You speak it and it will write. Although I couldn't use it because of my broken mic. Next is the most important website which remove the background of even complex pictures very smoothly. You can see the original picture as well as the picture which I remove the background. You can see both pictures at a time. You can do more changes like changing the background, like some city, river, sea, or any XYZ. You can see on the screen that I have changed the background of the picture. You can even resize your picture or whatever you would like. It have also some more unique features like download. You can download your picture, you can restore, or you can even remove any part of a picture by eraser. Eraser size is also can be increased or decreased. You can see on the screen that I increase the size of the eraser, so it will create more ease in your erasing. In case if you press restore, so it will restore part or entire picture. You can see that the picture is now again in original form. Thanks for watching.